Before you decide to download SuperQi, there are 12 key things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other finance apps or looking for features that stand out, these points will help you decide if it's the right choice for your financial management. Let's dive right into it. First, SuperQi is marketed as a personal finance management tool, but how does it stack up against other apps like Mint or YNAB? The app offers a clean interface with tools for budgeting, tracking expenses, and managing savings, but it's not quite as robust as Mint when it comes to account integrations. If you're someone who wants seamless syncing with your bank accounts, this could be a drawback. Next thing to consider is the user interface. SuperQi offers an intuitive and simple layout, making it easy for beginners to jump right in. However, if you're someone who's used to the more complex features of something like YNAB, you might feel that SuperQi lacks depth. The simplicity can be both a pro and a con, depending on your needs. The third thing is its expense tracking. SuperQi provides automatic categorization of your transactions, similar to what you see with apps like PocketGuard. However, it's not perfect. It might miss some categories or misclassify your expenses. That said, it's still a decent tool for those who don't want to spend too much time manually inputting data. The fourth thing is its budget planner. SuperQi offers a feature where you can set monthly budgets for different categories, and it will alert you when you're nearing your limit. While the notifications are helpful, it's not as customizable as YNAB's goal-setting features, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Moving on, the fifth thing you should know is that SuperQi lacks bill tracking. Unlike other apps like Truebill, which allow you to track upcoming bills and subscriptions, SuperQi doesn't have a built-in feature for that. If bill tracking is essential for you, this could be a significant downside. Next thing to consider is the app's integration with investment tracking. SuperQi offers a basic way to track your investments, but it's far from the comprehensive investment management features you'd find in apps like Personal Capital. For serious investors, this app may not have the depth you're looking for. The seventh thing is data security. SuperQi uses encryption to protect your information, but it doesn't offer two-factor authentication, which some apps, like Mint, have built in for extra security. If you're looking for top-tier security, this might not provide the reassurance you need. The eighth thing is the availability of reports. SuperQi offers a few reports for expenses and budgeting, but the reporting capabilities aren't as advanced as those in apps like YNAB or Mint. You'll get the basics, but if you're looking for detailed, exportable reports, you might be better off with a different app. The ninth thing to note is its customer support. While SuperQi does have a support team, the response time can be slow at times, and there's limited help through live chat. Compare this to Mint, which has a more responsive customer service option. Next up is the cost. SuperQi offers a free version, but for the premium features, you'll need to pay a subscription fee. This is similar to other apps in the space, but it's important to note that you're getting fewer advanced features compared to something like YNAB, which offers more for the price. The 11th thing you need to know is the app's update frequency. SuperQi updates its app fairly regularly, but it's not as fast as competitors like Mint, which is constantly rolling out new features. This means you might not get the latest tools as quickly as with other options. And the last thing to know is its overall ease of use. If you're looking for a quick and straightforward app to manage your finances without a steep learning curve, SuperQi is a good option. But for those who need more in-depth financial planning tools, you might be left wanting more. So, is SuperQi a good option? It's definitely a solid choice for those seeking simplicity in managing their finances. But if you want something that offers more robust features and greater flexibility, we recommend checking out our top solution that you can try for free.